Hello students, Namaskar. Myself Mukesh Chitwal, Assistant Professor, School of Agriculture, ITM University, Gwalior. So today we are going to discuss about the Cramer Rule. Okay, so Cramer Rule is widely used for solving the linear equations, the solution of linear equations. So today discuss this method uses the determinants for solution of the linear equations. So you have given three linear equations here. One is a1x plus b1y plus c1z, it is equal to d1. Second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c3z is equal to d2. Third equation is a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. What is a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3? So I will show you a linear equation. Suppose x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 7. Okay. Next equation is 2x plus y plus 4z is equal to 10, and third equation is 3x plus 7y plus z is equal to 20. So these are the three linear equations. So the value of d1, d2 and d3 is 7, 10 and 20. These three. The value of a1, a2, a3. a1 is 1. In front of x, only 1. Value of o2 is 2. a2 is 2. Value of a3 is 3. Value of b1 is 2. Value of b2 is 1. That is front of y. Value of b3 is 7. Value of c1 is 3. Value of c2 is 4. And value of c3 is 1. Okay. So by this we can take the value of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 and d1, d2, d3. After that we make 4 matrix. The first matrix is called delta. Delta is equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Okay. Second matrix is delta x. So in delta x matrix, all the second column and third column is same. S is in delta matrix, but the first column is replaced by d1, d2, d3. Similarly, in delta y matrix, first and third column will be same as the delta matrix, but the second column is replaced by d1, d2 and d3. The fourth one matrix, that is delta z. So in this matrix, the third column is replaced by d1, d2, d3. The first two columns will be a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Okay. After that, we have to find the determinant of this first matrix. If the determinant of this matrix is not equal to 0, then only these three equations has a unique solution. After that, we have to find the values of the three determinants delta x, delta y and delta z. After finding the determinants of these matrix, to find the value of x, y and z, because these three are the unknowns in these three linear equations. The value of x can be calculated by x is equal to delta x upon delta. So delta, the solution of this delta x divided by the solution of this delta. The ratio of both of these determinants will gives us the value of x. Similarly, the value of y and value of z can be calculated by the formula that is given in your screen. Delta y is equal to delta y upon delta and z is equal to delta z upon delta. After using these three formulas, you can get the value of x, y and z. Now we will see a numerical problem that is based on this Cramer rule to find the value of x, y and z. The example that is given to you, solve the equation x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 23. This is your first equation. Second equation is 3x plus y plus 4z is equal to 26. Third equation is 6x plus y plus 7z is equal to 47 by the determinant method. So Cramer rule is also known as determinant method. So don't be confused after seeing this. Cramer rule is also called the determinant method. So firstly we write the three equation that is given to us. Okay, so here we have to write a1, a2 and a3. Next b1, b2, b3, c1, c2 and c3. So the value of a1 is 1, value of a2 is 3 and value of a3 is 6. Similarly, the value of b1, b2, b3, so b is a multiple that is associated with y. So here b1 is 2, b2 is 1 and b3 is also 1. So here we write 2, 1, 1. Similarly c1, c2 and c3, 5, 4 and 7. So we write here 5, 4 and 7. Next the value of d1, d2, d3. d1, d2 and d3. So your d1 is 23, d2 is 26 and d3 is 47. Okay, so we have write the value of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 and d1, d2, d3. So here we write the four matrices. First is delta, so we write the value of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. This is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. Then we have to solve this delta. Okay, so next matrix is delta x. So in delta x this first column is replaced by D1, D2, D3. So the value of D1, D2, D3 is 23, 26 and 47. But the two columns remain same in this matrix. In delta Y, D1, D2, D3 takes second column. Okay, so first column and the third column remains same. In delta Z, the third column is replaced by D1, D2, D3. The first two columns will be same, this one and this one. Then we have to find the values of delta. Okay, so we solve this one. Okay, delta. So for solving this, we take this one, and hiding the column in which this one is remaining, one is stand, and row and column of this element is hidden. So what is remaining? This is 1 1 and 4 7. So this one is multiplied with this 7. 1 into 7, that is 7. Then we write minus this 1 into 4, that is 4. Then we write minus, and this second element 2. Okay, so we have taken this 2, so we hide the column of this 2 and the row of this column. So what is remaining? 3 6 4 7. So we multiply this 3 with 7, so 3 7 are 21, minus 6 into 4, 6 4 are 24. Okay, then we write plus, and this 5. Okay, so this 5, so we have to hide this column in which this 5 element is there. The row and column is hidden, and we multiply this 3 with 1, so 3 1 are 3. Then we write minus 6 into 1, that is 6. Now we solve this. 7 minus 4, that is 3. 3 into 1, that is 3. So 21 minus 24, that is minus 3, and minus 3 is multiplied with minus 2, so this becomes plus 6. Okay, and 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 is multiplied with 5, so this becomes minus 15. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 15, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is the answer of this first matrix. Okay, now we will solve this delta x. So we have to erase this. Okay, so we have to write this 23. Okay, okay, and we have to hide this row and this column. So what is remaining? 1 1 and 4 7. We have to cross multiply it. 1 into 7 7, minus 1 into 4, that is 4. Then we write minus and 2, this 2. So we have to erase all the things. Okay, so we have to hide this column and this row. What is remaining? 26, 47 and 4 and 7. So this 26 is multiplied with 7, and when 26 multiplied with 7, the answer is, so we have to open the calculator first. 26 multiplied with 7, that is 182. So in bracket we write 182 minus 47 into 4. So 47 into 4, that is 188. Okay. Then we have 5, so we write plus 5. Okay. Then we have to erase all the things. Okay. So we take this 5. So we hide its column and its row. What is remaining? 26 into 1, that is 26, minus 47 into 1, that is 47. Okay. So 7 minus 4, that is 3, and when 3 is multiplied with 23, that is 69. 182 minus 188, minus 6. Minus 6 is multiplied with minus 2, so this becomes plus 12. 26 minus 47, so it is minus 21. So minus 21 is multiplied with 5, so this becomes minus 105. Okay, so 69 plus 12 minus 105, so this becomes minus 24. So minus 24 is your answer. Now we have to solve similarly delta y and delta z. Okay, so we have to erase this one. Okay, so we are erasing. So now we take this one and hide this column and its row. So we have taken 1, so we write 1. So 26 into 7. So 26 into 7 is 182. So we write here 182 minus 47 into 4. 47 into 4, 188. Okay, so we have to erase all of these things. Then we take this 23, so we write minus 23 in bracket. So we hide this column and its row. 3 is multiplied with this 7, 21, minus this 6 is multiplied with this 4, 24. Okay, then we have to take this 5, this one, so we write plus 5. Okay, so we hide this column and its row. 3 is multiplied with 47. So 3 multiplied with 47, that is 141 minus 6 multiplied with 26, 156. Okay, so 182 minus 188, that is minus 6. 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. And when minus 3 is multiplied this minus, then this becomes plus, and 23 into 3, that is 69. 141 minus 156, that is minus 15. Minus 15 is multiplied with 5, that is minus 75. So this is minus and this is minus, so this will be added, and 75 plus 6, that is minus 81. So minus 81 plus 69, it is 12 plus 12, sorry, minus 12, because 81 is minus. So your answer is minus 12. Okay. Similarly, you solve delta z, so you will find the value minus 18. Now we apply the Cramer rule. Okay. So for finding the value of x, that is delta x upon x. So your delta x, value of delta x is 24, minus 24, and value of delta is minus 6. So here we write minus 24 upon minus 6. So minus minus is cancelled. 24 divided by 6, that is 4. 6 over the 24. Similarly, value of y can be calculated by using a formula delta y upon delta. So the value of delta y is minus 12. This is minus 12, and the value of delta is minus 6. Minus minus will be cancelled. 6 to the 12. Similarly, the value of z is calculated by delta z upon delta. The value of delta z is minus 18 divided by delta minus 6. So minus and minus will be cancelled, and 6 3 is 18. So by this way we find the value of x is 4, y is 2, and z is 3. So this is your final answer. So I hope you understand this Cramer rule. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me, and I will definitely solve your problem. So thank you so much.